Hey everyone! Well, this is us. More burping videos, as requested. Yeah. This time it's monsters, so hopefully it'll be better. Let me say. Oh my god! It's not working. You have to swallow air. Fuck. You have to go up close. You're not burping. Oh fuck! Swallow air. Swallow air before and then pick it up. I think I gotta check that out. I know about this. I don't understand what you're doing. I have to. I sound a little wet. Oh my good lord. Monster! Sticking to my... This doesn't feel like no, it's not working. That's how you do it. Woo!